Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play split screen on Fortnite Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. So this has been a topic of some debate online ever since support for Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch came out. Now, while on conventional consoles like the PlayStation or PS4, PS5, whatever, as well as the Xbox Series X, you can play two players in Fortnite through split screen mode. A lot of people have been asking whether you can do the same for the Nintendo Switch. So maybe something like docking the Switch with the official Nintendo dock and hooking up to your TV. So this is the one that I'm talking about. So this little device allows you to connect your Nintendo Switch to any display like a 4K TV. So the way it works is you connect both devices and then you plug in your Nintendo Switch to this dock right here. But the problem with this is you will only be able to play a single player, never two players, as support for two controllers for one Nintendo Switch will never work. So in fact, there's even a guide by Epic Games themselves saying that split screen mode is not supported on mobile devices, the Nintendo Switch PC platforms, and creative and limited time modes, as well as the other game modes for Fortnite. So to answer your guys' question, it's not a thing to have the split screen or two-player mode on the Nintendo Switch when playing Fortnite. However, it being an innovation for the Nintendo Switch in the future where you're able to hook up on two sets of controllers to one Nintendo Switch. But as of now, there is no support for split screen mode for the Nintendo Switch. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.